Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and let me teach you some basics. In my last videos, I taught you how to hold the Mehndi cone and also taught you the basics of Arabic Mehndi design like vines and flowers, and for the link please click above. And today I'm going to teach you how to draw grids, which is a space filler. Today I'm showing you two simple ones, and the first grid starts like this. For any grid there should be a border, that is upper border and a lower border, and to make the mehndi look more beautiful you can add extra fittings or extra design on the border. And for my first grid I am drawing three lines. Two of them are narrow and the middle one I'm going to make more thicker now, and for that I'm going to use more pressure so that the middle one is thicker now. And this is a simple design, anyone can try this. The major use of grid is that during bridal mehendis and all, we have to cover a lot wide area, that is bigger hands and legs, and then it will be very time consuming if you are going to draw minute designs to cover the full area. So in that cases we can use grid so that the time will be less consumed and also it will look more beautiful, and from a distant view it will seem that there is a much complicated design or a much better design, but actually the thing is very simple and easy for the mehndi designer and beautiful for the bride also. For my first design, it's okay if you're drawing some spooky or curvy lines during the basic lines or the grids, because after drawing the basic lines, you're going to highlight it in a box like pattern for this design. So it's okay if your lines are spooky or curvy. We are highlighting the boxes because if you highlight it, the design will look as if it is projected outwards from a distant view, which will make the henna look more beautiful than the ordinary one. And now I'm using a normal cone which I bought from the nearby shop, and if you are using the organic cone it will be more better because you can incorporate more shades into it. You can use thicker and thinner lines more accurately than this cone, so that the mehendi will look as if you have used two colors, that is darker brown and a lighter one. And while doing that, make the inside grid more lighter and the outside borders more darker. Now here I am showing you the basic designs or the basics of grids, and according to your imagination and creativity you can modify these grids to make more and more designs based on grids. Every henna design we used to say that if you can make it more perfectionful, then it will be more better. So here also perfection matters according to this design. If you can make this more straighter and more perfect the lines, then the design will look more beautiful. This is how my first grid looks, and now I'm going to try out my second grid, and it is also a simple grid, but the difference is that I'm going to try out some other designs on the border so that you can know how to modify a grid. And here also two borders is there, the upper one and the lower one, and I'm going to highlight it a little bit darker. Then I'm going to use some curvy designs into the border so that it looks a little different from the first one. Here also I am drawing intersecting or perpendicular lines, and while doing this design what we have to bother is that the lines should have a minimum spacing, because you are going to draw something into that boxes, and for that you need a minimum space inside the box. So draw the lines according to that. If you are interested in mehending and wants more designs to try out, then you can definitely check out my Instagram page, and I used to post maximum number of designs as I could, and also I'm ready to clear any doubts of you, so you can let me know your doubts through the comment box on YouTube, or you could contact me through DM in Instagram. And my Instagram page is also called Mehndi Love, MEHANDHI_LUV. Before a few weeks, I was into a Mehndi designing competition, and I drew a design showing the life of Lord Buddha, and for that I used this grid, the first grid, to complete my design, to fill the space. And for seeing this design or that picture, you can log into my Instagram page and see how it was, and you can also try out how to draw such kind of designs. I hope you guys understand how to draw grids, and I hope you are interested in Mehndi. And let me know your doubts and comments in the comment box below, and also please subscribe to my channel and let me know what are the more interesting topics you want me to post or want me to make video on. And thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.